Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making Capsicum Masala curry. It's really rich and very tasty curry recipe. So we need to make some basic preparation. For that I have preheated my pan over medium heat. In that goes in 2 tablespoons of raw peanut, and we are going to dry roast until it gets very light brown color. Now here peanuts have started to get little browning. Now in this goes in a tablespoon of sesame seeds and a tablespoon of dry grated coconut, and here's my son. Now again we are going to dry roast this everything together until these nuts and coconut gets very light golden color. And here sesame seeds and coconut has got this nice golden color. Now I am going to transfer this everything together into a blender jar and we will grind this into a coarse powder. So over here this ground masala is ready. The powder of dry roasted sesame seeds, peanut and coconut. Now in the kadhai I have preheated 2 tablespoons of oil. In that first goes in half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. After mustard seeds start to crackle, next goes in finely chopped onion, just a pinch of Hing, that is asafoetida, and curry leaves. Give that a mix and cook this until onion gets light golden color. And here onion looks nice and soft. Now goes in tomato. Give that a mix. Also goes in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by a teaspoon of Garam Masala, a teaspoon of coriander powder and a tablespoon of red chili powder. Now this is a bedgi mirchi. It gives that nice red color to the dish and it's not on that spicier side. Mix this everything together and cook for 2 more minutes. After about 2 minutes of cooking, let's go ahead and add in capsicum, that is Shimla mirch, that's been washed and then cut into big chunks like this. I have deseeded this Shimla mirch. Mix that in. Now cover this and let this cook in its own steam for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of cooking, let's check this out. Wow, look at that. This capsicum has got this awesome coating of spices. Let's go ahead and add in some hot water in this, about a cup. Also goes in some salt for taste and this roasted peanut powder, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now you can prepare this combination or mixture of coconut, sesame seeds and peanut powder in big batch and store that in airtight container for later use. Mix that in and again cover this up and let this simmer over medium heat for another 4 to 5 minutes. And it's been simmered over medium heat for just about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and check this out. Wow, lovely. Look at the color it has got. Smells fantastic. And look at the texture of this curry. Wow. Now if you want, you can also add some boiled aloo or raw aloo while cooking this capsicum. You can also make the combination of brinjal capsicum, aloo capsicum, cauliflower capsicum. The options are endless. So serve this piping hot with some plain boiled rice, or it also goes well with chapati, pulka, naan, roti. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. For more such interesting recipes, please visit www.madhurasrecipe.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.